ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. I thought I'd try something new by giving you something old with Uncle Matt's Flashbacks. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. This week I'm going to be making some lovely pulled pork. Oh, well that looks nice. In this video I'm making pulled pork with this beautiful bit of pork shoulder. I've already seasoned it, you'll see that in a moment with a selection of spices, and I'm going to slow roast this, and later we're going to shred it and mix it with some lovely barbecue style sauce. Inspiration for this recipe has come from a channel called Food Lust. I do hope you go and give his channel a watch. Lots of really excellent videos, especially if you like kind of American style food. Well worth checking out. Anyway, I'm going to crack on with this, hope you enjoy it. Alright, I have a selection of spices there. The full list of the ingredients I've used will be on my website, unclematscookerylessons.com, and that link will be in the description. But this is more of a technique video, so if you have some of the spices or you don't have some of them, it's fine. Just give it your yummiest spices, good coating, give it a slap for luck. Sit that over a rack, over a tray, so that the hot can get to it. And it's going in a very low oven for about 4 hours or so at least, and you've got time to go off for a bike ride. You need the exercise, lad. Go on. I actually went for quite a long ride. Knackered. So I came back and I thought, well, let's make the barbecue sauce. And again, this is not an exact recipe. This is what I had in my cupboard there, but I think this is a very vinegary one. So it was apple cider vinegar, ketchup. That's some soy sauce. I put some chili flakes in there. That's Worcester sauce. And that's some honey. The recipe on Food Lust channel had brown sugar. I just thought, well, no, I'll use some honey. Bit of Frank's hot. Can't go wrong with a bit of Frank's. Mustard. Basically, it's a very pokey sauce. Lots of flavour. And the idea is just to bring that to a simmer. Sorry for this brief interruption. I just wanted to let you all know that I wrote books a while ago, and I've republished them, and I've put links to them in the description below this video. For those of you that are interested, they're in ebook form, so there's Amazon and Barnes & Noble. For those of you not interested, I'm going to get back to the video now, I promise. But for those of you that do take the time, and if you're interested in reading them, I'd love for you to give me some feedback and let me know if you think they're any good. Anyway, back to the video. See you soon. Bye. For just a few minutes really, and look at how juicy that pork is. That is gorgeous, and there's a good test to see if it's ready. Yes, it tears nice and easily. Look into those lovely little pieces. We know that it's ready. It's still full of juice, but that's the beauty of something like shoulder. It takes a lot of cooking, but the flavour is incredible. And that bit went for me, because whoever's doing this, I dare you resist having a proper nibble as you're doing this. I can't. I'm too weak. And then get a shredding. And this comes from the States originally. I think it was Spanish travellers to America saw Native Americans smoking game over fires, and they realised it's a really good way of preserving, and they just decided to start using that technique for pork, and it evolved into what we have today, and it's enjoyed all around the world. And there you go, that's me straining the barbecue sauce, got the little bits of chili out, and oh yeah. It's a tad piquant, let's just say, but it's perfect for this recipe, for that rich pork, you know, that sort of sweet sour flavour, hot as well, going into the pork is just perfect. And put in as much or as little as you want. I didn't use all of it at this time. I thought, no, that looks really nice. It's nice and moist and juicy. The oven's on really low, so that's just going to stay warm in there while I butter my buns. A couple of brioche ones there, and I just like to get those all nice and toasty like so. Yes, they look nice. And I mean, it's not hard really, this. Let's just build up this lovely bap, shall we? So pile up a ton of the pork. That is some red cabbage and fennel slaw that I made the other day. Really rather lovely. What else? And you may remember my pickles video. Still got some of those. I've mixed them all up together now, but there's some bits of pickle going on there. What else might be nice? Yes, a little bit of French's mustard and put the top on it and just, well, you know, take a whacking bite. And then I'm going to hand you back over to me for the tasting. Forgive the bomb sight behind me. I've been busy. So, how is pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw and pickles and all sorts of lovely things like barbecue sauce? How is it? This is going to surprise you. It's rather delicious. Oh my god. Okay, stop eating now. Wonderful, delicious pulled pork. It's been around for a while now, but it's gorgeous. So do have a go at doing some lovely pork shoulder. Let me know how you get on, and I'll catch you in the next video coming really soon. Bye.